the day when the fourth phase of polling is underway, another election controversy that has hit the headlines. This is from Andhra Pradesh. In Hyderabad, where BJP candidate Madhvi Lata has raised a concern as to why the cops are not asking for the face identification of women who are wearing burqas. This is happening in Malakpet. Those are the pictures on your screens where Madhvi Lata is going from one polling station to the other. As she checks things on the ground, she has now questioned the cops as to why they are not asking for the face identification of women who are in burqas.
Well, Suesha, so yes, in Malakpet area of Hyderabad Lok Sabha constituency, we are seeing pictures coming in of Madhvi Lata, the BJP candidate, taking benefit of a procedure which is there in the Election Commission Code of Conduct insofar as the process of polling is concerned, where a candidate is allowed to check the identity cards in case of a face mask. And that's what she seems to be doing. She's checking the identity cards, and she's in couple of instances we have seen she's asking those voting to remove their face mask, which is a niqab or a burqa as it is called, just to identify it with their voter ID card. In fact, Madhvi Lata spoke on this incident earlier in Malakpet. Let's listen to her.
ज्यादा ही होशियार कर रहे हैं। 500 मीटर के दूर पे बिना कोई सिंबल के हमारे एजेंट्स बैठकर छोटा सा स्लिप्स दे रहे थे। 500 मीटर पोलिंग बूथ से दूर होना बोल के ज्यादती करके लेके आए हैं। यहाँ का पुलिस का जुल्म है हमारे ऊपर। भैया मैं कैंडिडेट हूँ और एज पर लॉ कैंडिडेट हैज अ राइट टू चेक द आइडेंटिटी कार्ड with the face, without the face mask. I'm not a male, I'm a female, and with lot of humbleness, I've only requested them, can I please see and verify with the ID card? And if somebody wants to make a big issue out of it, that means that he's scared of it.
All right, so that is the statement coming in from Madhvi Lata. As we cut across to Aneri, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Aneri, well, she makes a valid point there. And fact is that burqas are often misused in such cases. Several of those incidents that have been reported in the past. Aneri, do tell us how the cops have responded to Madhvi Lata.
Well, Suesha, what we have been seeing is that yet to get any sort of official statement from the police, because what we are being told is that there's no complaint which has been filed against Madhvi Lata. But as to what we are seeing in the videos is that Madhvi Lata has been visiting various polling stations, and she has been checking the ID cards of the women voters, because Old City is one such area where most of the Muslim voters come, and women voters especially come in burqa, and that is the reason why we see that Madhvi Lata is going around the polling stations. She has been checking the ID card, and also she's been requesting the women to show their face, because remember during the campaigning time as well, Madhvi Lata had questioned Asaduddin Owaisi that he has been winning all of these years with bogus votes, and also there are many bogus votes in Old City area, and with those bogus votes only Asaduddin Owaisi has been winning all of these years, and that is the reason why she has been now visiting all the polling stations, especially in the Old City area of Hyderabad. Remember how there has been a face-off between Madhvi Lata and Asaduddin Owaisi, the sitting MP, who is now contesting for the 5th time.
Aneri, given the fact that this election cycle, the Election Commission had removed almost 500,000 votes, bogus votes, in Telangana, are you getting any official or unofficial reaction from the side of Owaisi on this development? Because this could get controversial, particularly the manner in which the BJP candidate can be seen, checking the identity cards with the voters after asking them to remove their face mask, which is the niqab.
Well, Abhishek, what we have been seeing is that there's no statement coming in from Asaduddin Owaisi yet. But what we are seeing is that even Asaduddin Owaisi was seen visiting some of the polling stations, helping people there around, and also at the same time, we are seeing a lot of statements coming in on social media against Madhvi Lata, where she is being questioned of how can she be seen doing this, or how can she be asking the voter their identity or to remove their burqa and show their face is what people we have been seeing. And that is the reason why we see Madhvi Lata has now given out a statement where she says that she is humbly requesting the women voters to show, because remember how there has been this allegation from Madhvi Lata,
Right.
where she had alleged that there are massive number of bogus votes in
Right.
Old City area.